Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? Today is a very good day for Chain holders. This is live price predication. ABS Tech channel, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I updating you anytime. You checking out the last 1 hour. Oh, sorry, last 4 hour result. This is absolutely going good result. This is good chant. But if we can check it out, the last highest change. This is absolutely going good. 27.77 US dollars. This is absolutely good. Okay, let's check it out the last 1 hour result. Okay guys, just subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I updating you anytime. You check here the last 1 hour result is very bad. You check here minus 1.23%. This is very bad. I think this is just buying time, not a selling time of Chainlink. So you can check here, this is very bad. Okay, let's see the graph results. You check here, the graph result is going down. This is why I don't know, but I think this is a selling time. So absolutely this is selling this sorry, this is buying time. This is buying time because this is going down. They are going down, and I think last and today they are also starting going off. So kindly, this is just buying time. Buy it and enjoy. Okay, so I suggest you to just buy it, because this is going down hour by hour. So thanks for watching guys. This is live price prediction. I updating you anytime, any hour. Just subscribe button and press the bell icon for video notification. Okay, I update you for bad result, for good result, any kind of results. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.